mahal mo ko, gagawin mong lahat para sa akin. Ite-text mo ko kung saan ka pupunta. Sasabihin mo sa akin sino mga kasama mo. Magsisend ka ng picture. At wag na wag kang lalapit sa mga babae.
Depende na lang kung si tita yan. Hi single ladies out there, put your hands up.
I called you single because this message is for all the young beautiful women out there who are not yet married.
Watching and you are already a mother or a father of a teenager, tag niyo po siya. I understand na sa generation natin ngayon, sobrang hirap na ulit magpatawad, magtiwala, at magmahal. Let me speak the truth in love. Let me speak to your beautiful heart tonight. Men are also loved by God, just like us. Men also deserve to be trusted, to be respected, to be loved, to be forgiven, and accepted.
Sabihin ako, ligan. Do not tolerate their wrongdoings. Kahit mahal mo pa yan, ha? This generation needs more men who loves God. This generation needs more men who trust God, worship God, honors God, and praise God. Imaginein mo na lang kung anong mangyayari sa mga susunod na pamilya kung ang tatay na namumuno dito ay may takot at may relasyon sa Diyos. When God said we are fearfully and wonderfully made, hindi lang tayo yun, kundi pati na rin sila. God bless everyone.